How to fix Discord not opening. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Tap on the Wi-Fi and make sure you have connected to your Wi-Fi. Tap on the I like option. Now scroll down and tap on Configure DNS. Select the manual and here you want to delete other servers and then you want to tap on Add Server. Here you want to put the code like 1.1.1.1. After that, you want to tap on Save, that is on the top right corner. Tap on Configure DNS again and then delete the previous one. After that, tap on Save. That might help you solve the problem. The next thing that you can do is you want to go back to Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Then here you want to go ahead and search Discord. Tap on the Discord app and go ahead and offload it. Tap on Offload app, tap on Offload again. After that, reinstall the app and you'll be able to fix the problem. Next thing that you can do is, if you're using Wi-Fi and it's not working, you can switch to your cellular data. Turn off Wi-Fi connection, go back and turn on cellular data. And if you're using cellular data, do it vice versa. Next thing that you can do is, you want to go ahead to App Store and then search for Discord app. Tab it open, and if the blue button right here says update, you want to go ahead and update it. And if it still doesn't work, you can go ahead and delete the app and reinstall it from App Store. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.